Working late at night and still not sure which file is the right one? Notes everywhere, spreadsheets everywhere, messages everywhere. That's when firms turn to accounting practice management software. It keeps tasks, deadlines, and conversations in one place. It runs your firm's work, not your client's books. It's made for repeat accounting work, not one-time tasks. Everyone can see what's done and what's next. Without it, issues show up too late. With it, month-end feels calm and under control. Xenett goes further with automation and built-in financial checks. Practice management keeps you organized. Xenett keeps your work accounting ready.